Hello, students. So let's solve this question. Now, first of all, for us to work out this question, I need to reduce or simplify these expressions. Now, for me to simplify this one, recall from the multiplication law in indices, if I have x raised to the power n times x raised to the power m, then it's going to be x raised to the power m plus m. All right. Now, because we know this is going to be vice versa. It can go either way. So this can be written as 5 raised to the power 1 times 5 raised to the power x, which is the same thing as 5 into 5 raised to the power x. Now, the second one is 5 raised to the power 1 minus x, which actually, if we use the division law, x raised to the power n divided by x raised to the power m is going to be x raised to the power n minus m, okay? And this is vice versa. So this will be 5 raised to the power 1 divided by 5 raised to the power x, which will be 5 over 5 raised to the power x. Then I will now replace it, and replacing it, what I'm going to have here is 5 into 5 raised to the power x, then plus 5 over 5 raised to the power x is equals to 26. Okay, to make it interesting and simplify everything, what I will do is to say let y be equals to 5 raised to the power x. So anywhere I see y, I replace 5 raised to the power x. So this is going to be 5y, then plus 5 over y is equals to 26. Now, the beautiful thing to do here, or very interesting to do here, is to clear the fraction by multiplying through by the LCM. And in this case, the LCM is y. So it's going to be y times 5y is equals to, sorry, not equals to now. Okay, let me, good. Y times 5 over y is equals to 26 times y. Okay, I multiply through everything by the LCM, which is y. So this is 5y squared, then plus 5, because this cancels this out, then it's equals to 26y. Now, rearranging it further, we are going to have 5y squared minus 26y, then plus 5 is equals to 0. Now, to work this out is a quadratic equation issue, so we multiply these extreme terms so that we are going to have 25y squared. Now, factors of 25y squared that will add up to minus 26. In this case, the factors are minus 25y and minus y. Okay, so replacing them, I'm going to have 5y squared minus 25y, then minus y plus 5 is equals to 0. Then grouping it in twos, okay, this, and this, I'll factorize further so that here I'm going to bring out 5y, which is common, is equals to, or is into y minus 5, okay? Then minus, if nothing is common, we can leave it, or we can put 1 in front so that we will not be confused, okay? But in this case, this will be minus 5, okay? So take note of that. Okay, so let me just put the 1 here, right? So it's equals to 0. So what we have here will be y minus 5, that is factorizing further. Then we have 5y, then minus 1 is equals to 0. So therefore, is either y minus 5 is equals to 0, which implies that y is equals to 5, or 5y minus 1 is equals to 0, which implies that 5y is equals to 1, which actually implies that y is equals to 1 over 5. But recall, we were not asked to find y. So we actually found y. So recall that y is equals to 5 raised to the power x. We are looking for x. So when y is equals to 5, we can now conclude that 5 is equals to 5 raised to the power x. So therefore, this is 5 raised to the power 1 is equals to 5 raised to the power x. Hence, x is equals to 1. That is one of the solutions, okay? Then the next solution is when y is equals to 1 over 5. What we are going to have is 1 over 5 is equals to 5 raised to the power x. So that we have 5 raised to the power minus 1, yet again from the negative power law, which says that if I have x raised to the power minus 1 is going to, or let me put n, is going to be 1 over x raised to the power n. So it is vice versa. Okay, that is exactly what I used. So therefore, this is going to be 5 raised to the power x. Hence, in this case, my x is equals to minus 1, because if the bases are the same, the powers must be the same. So my final answer is x is equals to 1 and x is equals to minus 1, right? So these are the whole number answers and these are the real answers. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more interesting videos.